Agriculture and the beef industry creates and supports millions of jobs every year, many of them in small rural communities. Cattleman to Cattleman reporter Brian Baxter has more on a family-owned trailer business in Arkansas that's committed to serving their customers, employees, and community.
In north central Arkansas, Calico Trailers has been building custom stock trailers for over a quarter of a century.
Calico Trailers is a company that was started by my parents in 1983. My husband and I currently run it. We manufacture horse and stock trailers. We also do special built custom trailers of all kinds, a wide variety from industry to agriculture to deer trailers. We employ 75 people on average, and we are the largest employer outside of the school district in Quitman, Arkansas.
Calico Trailers started when Susan's father built his first trailer with a borrowed welder. Today, the company manufactures over 2,000 trailers each year and sells into 4 different countries.
We custom build every trailer for every customer. We start literally from sheet metal, and then we fabricate the trailers here. We have different buildings where we have different processes as far as the actual manufacturing and then the finishing, painting, things like that. We realize that there are a lot of people that have different needs, and so we try to accommodate those types of issues. We have dealers all over the country. We have places from California to Massachusetts, and then we also have places in Canada, Chile, and Australia. We have a website that also has a dealer locator on it for individuals to purchase. When they go to that, it will give them the dealership closest to their area, and so that they have somewhere close for any type of maintenance or pickup and delivery.
Calico has always been committed to giving back to the community and state. The company is a steadfast supporter of Arkansas FFA, building custom trailers for local chapters to use in their fundraising efforts. The Johnsons are proud that their daughter, Brooklyn, became involved in the organization, serving as state secretary for Arkansas FFA.
I decided to run for state office because so many state officers throughout from 9th grade to 12th grade years had really impacted me. My Uncle Ben and my Aunt Carol had both been state officers, so that really impacted me a lot. And honestly, I just wanted students across the state of Arkansas to love FFA as much as I did and learn from it as much as I did. FFA is important because it grows leaders across our state and across our nation. It really inspires kids on what they want to do with their future and their career, and I think it's so beneficial to any kid, whether you grew up on a farm or you grew up in the city.
FFA is a big organization in our state as well as our geographic area and nationwide. We've always been a big supporter of local FFA chapters. Of course, everyone needs a trailer when you have livestock, so it's something that we enjoy doing, and it's a good way to give back to our community. Calico Trailers builds mini trailers for FFA chapters across Arkansas as well as across the nation. That's something we've always done. We discount our trailers for FFA chapters, hoping to help kids along the way with their livestock.
Calico has actually supported FFA chapters for a very long time. For as long as I can remember, my parents have been building trailers for my FFA chapter and actually repainting them and redoing the finishing on them. It's great to see a familiar face come in the office and get a discount on a quality trailer that they can use, whether it's at their county fair, their state fair, district fair, or even for their mechanics classes or whatever they need it for, really.
Even though Calico Trailers is a nationwide company, they're proud to call Quitman their home, and they continue to support the community that helped their family business grow.
We want Calico to stay in Quitman because we love the community. We were born and raised here, and we don't think there's anywhere better to be. We like to keep local people here. It's great for us to help the community through those types of job opportunities for a lot of local people where they don't have to travel to surrounding areas. And so we love to have those people to come to work for us, and those are also people that are born and raised in this area most of the time. It is important to us to be involved in the community because we're a third generation manufacturing company in this area, and we feel like if we lead the way in helping our community, that a lot of these other smaller industries and smaller businesses in the town will also jump in right behind us and support our local community as well.
Calico means so much to me because I know that my grandparents and my parents both poured their hearts and souls into it and making it what it is. They work tirelessly every single day to build up Calico and let it grow and let it really help out our community. And outside of building trailers, I know my parents do so many things, especially for our school and our community, just to help out.
From Quitman, Arkansas, I'm Brian Baxter for NCBA's Cattleman to Cattleman.
To learn more about Calico Trailers and find a dealer in your area, go to calicotrailers.com.